Hi, I'm Chris from Tex Automotive. In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure your wiper blades. There are over 850 different wiper blades and arms in our range, so it's important that you know how to identify the correct one for your car. All of our wiper blades and arms are made in Britain, here at our premises in Oxfordshire. They're made of high quality stainless steel. They are made with the original tooling and to original specifications for arms and blades made from 1940s to 1980s. Here are 6 examples of our blades. The first step to identifying which wiper blade is correct for your vehicle is to determine the length of the blade itself. To do this, take a tape measure and measure from end to end, and this one just happens to be 18 inches. Once you've measured your wiper blade, the second step is to identify which type of clip your wiper blade has. We have 5 different types of clip, which I have in front of me here. The first type of clip that I'm going to show you is the peg and eye type fitting. This clip is utilised on vehicles from the 40s and 60s that have flat screen. There is only one type of wiper arm that fits this blade, which I have here. As you'll see, there is a corresponding slot in the wiper arm that allows the blade to slip up through. This is then secured via a rubber peg, and it's available from our Tex Automotive website. Next, I'm going to show you the spoon type clip. At the end of the wiper arm, there is a bend that makes it look like a spoon, hence the name. This slides under the riveted bar, which allows the wiper arm to be secured onto the wiper blade. Our third clip is the 5.2mm bayonet clip. This clip has a small hole which matches with a dimple on the end of the wiper arm, which is then inserted into the blade to secure them together. There are 2 different locations where the clip can be mounted. It can be either mounted centrally or offset. Our fourth clip is a 7.2mm bayonet clip. It is the same design as the 5.2, apart from being wider, it is fitted in exactly the same way. Our last clip is the notch clip. This clip looks very similar to the 7.2mm bayonet clip, however internally it is different. The easiest way to identify the blade is by looking at your arm. The arm will have a notch cut out of either side, as you'll see here. The final step when choosing a wiper blade is to choose what finish you need. Our wiper blades are available in 2 main finishes, bright stainless steel and polished stainless steel. You'll also find some of our range is available in satin black. And to make sure that you have one of our blades, look out for the word TEX stamped on the blade. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us.